Hi there, and welcome to the Geonix channel. My name is Andrew. In this video, we'll go over how to set up a proxy in 1Browser. 1Browser comes with built-in free proxies, but if you want maximum anonymity and control, it's better to connect your own private ones. With them, you can change the IP address for each profile, bypass geo restrictions, and protect accounts from tracking or bans. When you first open the browser, you'll see the main profile screen. To begin, create a new profile by entering a name and selecting a style. After that, navigate to the proxy section. Here you'll find several options: no proxy, custom proxy, free proxy, Tor proxy, and data center proxy. For our example, we'll select custom proxy. Next, enter the details for your HTTP proxy. Write the username and password separated by a colon. Then add the @ symbol, followed by the IP address and port, also separated by a colon. Once you fill in the data, the proxy is automatically connected to the selected profile. To make sure everything is working, you can test it on the Geonix website. The link is in the description. There you'll see that your IP address has changed. If you don't want to deal with external servers, you can also use the built-in free proxies. Simply select a country from the list, and the proxy will automatically apply to your profile. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, Geonix.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.